Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. Before I start the video, I do want to say subscribe, like, and comment. It always does help when you guys push the like on these videos, and it helps push out my videos to other people that I drum as much as you guys. I also want to give a quick shout out to my sponsor, myself, at www.patreon.com/but I'm not a trader. Again, if you guys would like to join before I raise the prices up to $750, possibly $1,000 on my own website, definitely recommend you guys get grandfathered in to get more of an opportunity cost for you guys. With that being said, let's get started in the video. As of right now, I have made sort of a reminder to myself that if we close under this 4145.60 level on the SPX, we will be closing a bear week. As of right now, we are starting to push pre-market back up to these level highs. I do think that everything at this 414A at this previous high is going to be a short, but it does look like we are very much eyeing that 4159, 416 level. I'll be completely honest. It does look extremely bullish right now. It does look like, especially with this pre-market movement, it does look like we're going to keep pushing all the way up to 416. Again, that 8-hour trigger was essentially perfect, right? The last time we closed it was here at 408. You kept running all the way to 419. You ran $11 from that, right? From here, you closed it at 407. So I can possibly see us going back to like a 417, 418 again. This looks like it's going to keep pumping a lot to the upside, which is extremely concerning for me since I have puts, obviously, right? But it does look like, as much as I would like to disagree with this, it looks like we're going back up to possibly like 417 again within probably this week, right? Close it right here from these lows, right? Last run was 119 in 4 days and 8 hours. So 119, 18, 4 days. Oops, 119, 18. So I could see this going all the way back up to here, to this 4189.50, which would put you at like a 417 SPY, I think, probably somewhere around that range. But yeah, as much as I would like to be bearish right now, and I still am, it's kind of hard to be bearish right now. It does look like you're going to keep pushing all the way up to 415, 16. I would definitely short this range here. I would definitely short the top of that range here just because it's a previous high. Ideally, I would love for this to just dump, fill the gap on SPY immediately at open, and then just continuously stay dumping, right? I would love that. But right now you're getting close to previous highs on the SPY on Friday. You're gonna have a small gap from 412 to 412 to 413, and then on the 4 hour, you'll know actually on the previous hour, this is again same thing. It's pretty nice short. Didn't retest here this trend. Nice chance you go back to 409 before running to 415. But if you do break this range up here, very strong chance to go to 415, right? It's extremely hard to be bearish right now because things look so bullish. But again, I would be shorting this whole range, this whole upside range here between this high of 4149 and like 4147. This whole range right here, definitely short back to this like 413, if not a lot lower. But again, this green little line here is more of an indicator of us closing a bear week this week, which I would be extremely happy about because I've been waiting for this thing to close for like the last 2-3 weeks and it hasn't closed yet, right? And it's not confirmation that we're going down until this week closes. We do still have that 3-day going, the 2-day going. And it's one of those things where I'm just like, oh man, this thing's been going just sideways, right? You essentially closes at 4115, but you've just been going sideways right now. You're still technically bearish, right? Because you're still trading under it, but it's just a lot of upward movement right now, which kind of sucks for me since I have puts for like a month out. We continue to see push to the upside, and that 8-hour on Friday was just ridiculous, that 2% push. But again, this looks like very heavy push pre-market. I would say that I don't know what's going to happen today, to be honest. I don't think I'm too bearish going into the market today. I hope it dumps, but again, it looks more likely that we'll go to 415 as opposed to dropping all the way back down today to like 407 or something. It's just, the whole market is continuously strong. Apple is actually, I think, a little bit under close. Yeah, it's a little bit under close. Still that huge gap here at a 166 for Apple. And then you also have Microsoft as well with another big gap here at 278. But it did close the 4-hour bullish trigger. But on the other hand, you are essentially on, you are essentially right now on trend right now, right? Let me see. A little bit lower, actually. Yeah, probably a little bit lower trend. You did close a daily bear, right, on Friday, or actually on Thursday, and you actually just completely just shot up. So everything is just ridiculously bullish right now. I mean, it's so hard to be bearish right now, even though I still am. It's extremely hard to be bearish, but it does look very, very likely that we'll see 416 today. Apart from that, I have no idea what's going on, and I probably won't have an official answer about what's going to happen until Friday. If Friday we close this weekly bear, I'm still 100% bearish, and if anything, I'm just going to double down on puts even more. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.